Hi, I'm Paul Battaglia. This is a brief overview of Chapter 6, Additional Topics in Trigonometry. As we wind down our study of trigonometry, we're actually going to take a brief look at the law of sines and cosines. Now, students that may have been exposed to these laws, albeit briefly in geometry, but what I like here is the emphasis we're placing on the real-world applications of both. Once we get through 6.1 and 6.2, students will then be introduced to vectors. And in keeping with many of the sections in the text, we'll try and emphasize the real-world connections to vectors. What I really like about the middle of this chapter here is our marriage of classroom and career. Students are taking pre-calculus, and for most of them, in the back of their mind, they're probably starting to think about careers in which math can be used. And I think the idea of introducing things such as navigation or force really put a seed into their head about what they may want to pursue in life after high school. Now, to finish up the chapter, we'll talk a little bit about the complex plane, and we'll look at the trigonometric form of a complex number. I hope you find these tips helpful as you structure your lessons for Chapter 6.